Okay. Can you see my screen now, Sherbel? Yes. Okay, very good. So today's lesson is science, and it's all about evaporation and the water cycle. One more time. Let's read, Sherbel.
Read where?
Here, the lesson title for today. Evaporation and
Evaporation and the water cycle.
very good. Okay, that's good. Evaporation and the water cycle. Let's have a recap first. What is evaporation? What is evaporation, Sherbel? Here, let's read. Evaporation is turning.
Evaporation means turning a liquid into a gas.
Very good. Turning a liquid into a gas. That is evaporation. Okay. Let's read this part here. Liquids.
ไม่ต้องใส่ไม่ต้อง
Okay, let's read over here. Liquids change.
Liquid change into gas when
When
they
they're
are
Mhm.
heated.
Okay. This is called
ไม่ได้
this is called evaporation. Okay, now recap is done. When we say evaporation, Sherbel, turning a liquid into a gas. Okay. Now let's talk about evaporation and the water cycle. Okay. Let's read here, Sherbel.
ไม่อยากฟ้องพ่อ
Okay, temperature.
Temperature affects evaporation.
Very good. Temperature affects evaporation.
ไม่อยากฟ้องพ่อ
Now, next is
Hello everyone.
how about this one, Sherbel? The rate.
The rate speed of evaporation
Mhm.
depends on temperature.
Very good. The rate or the speed of evaporation depends on the temperature. Okay. Turning a liquid into a gas. That is evaporation, Sherbel, right?
ทำไมจะต้องใส่ต้องกินข้าวไปแล้วไม่อยาก
Okay. So, Sherbel, when the liquid is heated, it will turn into gas. And it is evaporation. Okay?
ไม่อยาก
Okay.
ไม่อยาก
Okay, please read number 1, Sherbel. Evaporation.
ไม่อยากไม่อยาก
Number 1. Let's go, Sherbel. Number 1.
Evaporation is low when it's cold.
Yes, evaporation is slow when it's cold. Number 2.
Evaporation is fast when it's hot.
Okay, remember that one. Okay, remember evaporation. Number 1, evaporation is slow when it's hot or cold.
Cold.
Very good. Number 2. How about number 2?
Hot.
Okay, number 2, evaporation is fast.
Evaporation is fast when it's hot.
Can you give me examples, Sherbel? Can you
Give
give
you an
me?
example of
Mm-hmm. Of evaporation is slow when it's cold and it's fast when it's hot. Okay, let's read here. Let's read the box over here in the box. Okay. Washing dries.
washing dries slowly on a cold day because water evaporates rates from the floor slowly.
Yes. Do you know how to wash your clothes, Sherbal? Do you?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yes, I know.
Okay. That's good. Do you wash it your own or no? You just know but you don't do it.
My mom didn't let me do it.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Next, number two example.
Washing dries quickly on a hot day because water evaporates quickly.
Yes, very good. Okay. So when will the water evaporates quickly? Hot or cold?
Mm, is what did you say?
Okay, I say evaporation is when it's hot or cold.
Evaporation is hot.
Okay, very good. Now let's read over here. Evaporation is
Evaporation is faster when the temperature is high.
higher.
Yeah.
Okay, evaporation is faster when the temperature is higher. Okay, so meaning to say, sure, Belle, evaporation depends on the temperature. Okay,
Okay.
okay. What is temperature again, sure, Belle? We have it yesterday.
The temperature, I just told you, temperature means you when you want to know if hot or cold, and it will say the weather is hot or
Okay.
cold.
Yes, very good. It's the hotness or coldness. And how about evaporation? Last one. Last one about evaporation. Tell me about evaporation.
What did you say?
Okay, temperature is right. Good job, Sherbel. How about evaporation? Can you tell me what evaporation is?
Evaporation.
Mm-hmm.
Evaporation
Mm-hmm.
means mm, the operation means turning a liquid, turning a liquid
Very good.
into a
Into a solid.
into a solid.
No, it's not a solid. Turning a liquid into a ex-
Turning a liquid to a
gas.
gas.
Oh, yeah. Example, we have the water puddle. You remember it? The water puddle?
Yes, I
Yes,
remember.
very good. So that is evaporation, turning a liquid into a gas. Okay, next we have the next one. Let's read it. Sure, Belle, go, go, go. Evaporation and
Evaporation and condensation of water on Earth.
okay, one more time. Condensation.
Condensation.
Very good. Number one.
The water here on planet Earth is constantly recycling, strange but true.
Okay, how about this word? Can you try to read it again? Cons.
อย่าเขย่าเป็นสอง
ไม่เขย่าอะไร
อย่าเขย่าค่ะ
อืม
Let's read one more time. Cons.
constantly
Res.
con recycling.
Very good. Constantly recycling. Okay. Mhm. Number two.
When the temperature gets really low, the raindrops can fall as snow or
Hail.
hail instead of rain.
Okay, do you understand this? Do you understand number two, Sherbel?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, very good. A snow or a hail, it's like an ice, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's read here. Clouds are condensed.
The clouds are condensed water vapor,
Vapor.
droplets, tiny droplets of water hanging around the air.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? As the what?
As the water vaporizes, it cools and condenses to form clouds and fall as rain.
Okay, good. Look at the picture first. Sure, Belle. Look, what can you see in the picture here?
I can see a rain falling.
Yes, very good. A rain falling. What else?
A hill,
Mm-hmm.
a tree, and a lake, and the sun.
Okay, very good. So where is it? Now this one. Heat from the sun.
Heat from the sun makes the water from the sea, lakes, and rivers evaporate into water vapor.
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 Okay, very good. So sure, Val, that means to say that when it is hot, what happened when it's hot? What happened to the sea, the lakes, and the rivers? What happened to the waters in the lake, in the sea, and in the rivers? It
It
evaporates.
will evaporate.
Yes, it will evaporate into water vapor. Okay, and it will go up, 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 and the clouds are formed. Okay, now
Okay.
we have to learn about, okay, the summary questions for section 6. Okay, now are you ready for the questions?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. Let's read and answer. Go, 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 Sherbal.
ค่ะอันนี้นะก็เป็
Number
นตัวอย่า
one.
ง
Name.
การเรียน1 กับ 1นะคะคลาส1 กับ 1ก็
Name the three states of matter.
Okay, what are the three states of matter?
เป็นครูฟิลิปปินส์นะคะ
But first, Sherbal, do you know what matter is? What is matter?
Matter?
Yeah, do you know what is matter is?
Yes, I know.
Can you tell me?
Matter is the like
Mhm.
mm,
จะเป็นยังไงบ้างนะคะ
matter
Mhm.
is
Yes, is.
who is calling again? Matter is
Mhm.
Matter is the like what's the matter mean is what matter is the problem.
Okay. In any sense, in English, matter is like what's the problem? What's the matter? What's the problem? That's in English. But in science, matter is different. Matter in science is anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, example, I'll tell you this one. This comb right here is an example of matter. This is a matter. Everything here on earth is a matter as long as it is anything that occupies space and has mass. That's a matter, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so question number one, name the three states of matter. The three states of matter are
The three states of matter are
Mhm.
of the matter are
Yes, solid,
solid, liquid,
and
and a gas.
very good. One more time. Sherbel, what are the three states of matter?
Is solid, liquid, and gas.
Very good. Okay, how about number two?
Which of following materials are solid? Cheese, water, oxygen, a bridge. A cheese is not a solid. A water is not a solid. Oxygen is not a solid too. So the a brick.
Okay, very good. A brick is solid. Okay, do you know what brick in Phi?
What?
Do you know what is a brick?
I know. I know. I know. Look, I'm going to waste it like this. It's
Oh,
called a
okay.
brick.
Okay. Oh.
To make a
Oh.
house of three little pigs,
Mhm.
okay?
Yes, very good, Sherbel. Wow, I think you'll know everything. Okay. At least you know what a brick is. Next, number three.
We
Can you?
cannot pour solid
We cannot pour a solid, and that is because.
because solid is hard.
Okay.
It's
And when?
not a liquid.
Very good. So, can you pour a solid? No, we cannot pour a solid. Next, number four.
Can you move a material from one container to another?
Mhm. You move a material from one container to another.
It
Changes.
changes shape but does not change in volume. What
Mhm.
state of matter in the material in?
Yes. What is it? You can change from one container to another container, and the volume doesn't change. What state of matter is that? Again, what are the state of matter?
The states of matter.
Mm-hmm. Go, Cherbel.
What state of matter is the material in?
Mm-hmm. Okay, is it solid, liquid, or a gas? It's a.
The same shape. A
It can change
solid.
shape. Is it a solid?
Solid. Yes.
No. Can you try again, Sherbel? Remember, you can move a material from one container to another container. Oh, see, it can change shape. Can this change shape? It's a solid. Can this change shape? No, it can't. So it's not a solid. Depending
Then
on the
it's a
container.
liquid.
Yes, good. It's a liquid. Depending on the container, that is the shape of the liquid material inside it. Very good. So number four is a.
Can
Number four is.
number 4 is a liquid.
Mhm. Very good. Next,
What?
number five. Okay, number five. Let's go. Number five. Can the volume of a gas change?
Can the volume of the gas change?
Mm-hmm. Can the volume of a gas change?
No.
No.
Yes.
Mm, okay. Yes or no? Can the volume of a gas change? The answer is
The answer is no.
no. Okay, let's try to review that one. How about number six? Question number
What
six.
happens to the water in the bottle on a sunny day? The
Yes.
water in the bottle will melted in the sunny day.
Okay, we'll melt it in the sunny day, and the term would be condensation or evaporation.
Mm, do you say the germ?
Yeah. Again, what happens to the water in a puddle on a sunny day? Sure, Belle?
The
The,
sun will melt.
the sun will melt.
You just say the last time in the water puddle and the sunny day will melt the water puddle.
Okay, so that means, okay, you choose whether it is evaporates or it condensate. Is it evaporation or condensation?
Mm, the germs will be gone.
Okay, it will gone. So that means to say from a liquid, which is the water, from a liquid, into a gas. So the water in the bottle will evaporate. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, please zoom more.
Oh, one more time.
Please zoom
Oh,
more.
zoom. I don't know
Yeah,
if I
yeah.
can zoom more. Let me try. Wait for a while. Okay. This one?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Let's go to number 7. Okay, number 7. Let's read, Sherbel.
What is the water called when it's a gas?
Yes. Remember, from liquid to gas, what is it called?
The water
Mhm,
from the liquid
mhm.
is called uh,
Okay, there's just the process. The process is called water into a gas. The process is called
process is called is when it's turned into the gas. It called uh
it's called
mm,
condensation. Is it condensation?
no,
No, it's
is evaporation.
okay. Very good. It's called evaporation. Okay. True or false? Number 8. Sherbel, number 8, true or false? Let's read.
Gas
Mm-hmm.
evaporates into a liquid when it's cooled.
Yes or no? True or false?
Mm, the gas into a
It's
mm,
confusing.
is true or false.
Yes.
The answer is false.
Okay, very good. It is false. Okay, question number 9.
What happens to a liquid when you freeze it?
Mm-hmm. When you freeze it, the
When you
water,
freeze
for
it,
example, what happens to a liquid when you freeze it?
it will be an
It will be
the liquid when what happens to a liquid when you freeze it?
okay. It will become,
Will become a freeze. It will freeze it.
it will freeze. Very good. So, will it become still a solid?
No.
No, it will become,
Uh, mm, it will become a gas.
a gas? Are you
No,
sure?
I see.
an ice.
An ice. Okay, so what is the ice? What state of matter is the ice since it is hard? Is it
It's solid.
very good? Okay. One more time. Sherbel, what happens to a liquid when you freeze it?
It will be solid and
Yes.
ice.
Yes, very good. It will become a solid. Okay, how about number 10?
What happens to butter in a hot pan?
Okay, butter. What is a butter? Tell me first. Is it a solid or a liquid? Butter is?
A liquid.
Butter is?
Butter is a solid.
Are you sure?
That I just say a liquid and you say no.
Okay. So, butter is a solid or a liquid?
Liquid.
Solid.
A solid.
Yeah, solid. Just like this comb here. It's a solid because it is hard and it is, you can touch it. Okay? So butter is a solid. So what happens to the solid, which is the butter, in a hot pan? Meaning it is heated.
It will be a liquid.
Very good. It will turn into a liquid. Can you spell liquid for me, please, Sherbel?
What? Liquid.
UID.
QUID.
Is it right?
QUID.
QUID. Very good, Sherbel. Okay, that's right. Now,
What
number.
instrument would you use to measure temperature?
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is our
Oh,
lesson yesterday. What do we call that? It starts with the letter T. And I show it to you yesterday.
you just showed me yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Remember, you said, can it be used to measure the temperature of the water? I said no. It's a just for a body temperature.
It look like a tornado.
Okay, one more time.
That you say is a temperature
Mhm.
and it's a thermometer, right?
Yes, very good. It's right, thermometer. Okay, that how you measure a
Temperature.
temperature. Okay. Now, how about number 12? A or
At
B?
what at what temperature does water freeze?
Mhm. Okay, first, let's have letter B. At what temperature does water freezes? At what temperature? We use the degree Celsius in measuring temperature. At what
Mm,
degree Celsius?
what degree Celsius?
Mm-hmm. The water freezes at?
Would the water freeze at
You take a guess. Take a guess. Is it 0 or 30?
0.
0. Very good. The water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, but we cannot follow degree Celsius like this one. 0 degree Celsius. Okay. How about water boil? What temperature does water boil? Can you remember?
The temperature of water boil is 100
100.
degrees Celsius.
Okay, very good. That's correct. How about, okay, number 13.
Silver melts at 960
and 6
and
and 82.
82
degrees Celsius.
degrees Celsius. Will silver be solid or liquid at 500
degrees
degrees
Celsius.
Celsius?
Mhm. Okay. Do you think silver will be solid or liquid at 500 degrees Celsius? Solid or liquid? Okay,
A
this one is
liquid.
hard. Okay,
A
still
liquid.
okay, still be a liquid, but slowly becoming a liquid, not as fast as the 962 degree Celsius. Okay? Do you
Okay.
have silver in your house? Sherbel?
Silver.
เงิน
Mm-hmm.
อะเงินอะ
Nine. สีอะไร
สีเงินอะมีไหม
No.
Oh, you don't have any?
พวกกำไร
Okay.
อะกำไรที่มันเป็นสีเงินเงินอะทำมาจากซิลเวอร์ no no I don't have silver
No, I don't have silver.
Okay, I see. Would you like to see
Why?
silver?
Mm,
I'll show you
yes.
silver. Example, this one is a silver, this one is a silver, all of these are silver. Except this one, it's a gold.
Mm, I know this is a silver.
Mm-hmm.
And our necklace is also a silver, but some kind is golden or maybe colorful.
Oh, okay. Now,
What?
พวก
What?
ดังๆนั้นมีพูดอย่างในคอคูจะได้ยินไหม
okay, question number 14.
Why do wet clothes dry faster on a hot day?
Why? Because?
Faster than a hot day?
Mm-hmm. Because when it is cold, the wet clothes will not dry faster.
Will not dry faster.
Okay.
Because
Again.
why do wet clothes dry faster on a hot day?
Mm-hmm.
Because the clothes
Because
because
temperature,
because the temperature
okay, temperature affects
affects the
effects on
effects on the
wet cold
eva
evaporate
evaporate.
okay, because temperature affects evaporation.